AI videos can look incredible for a few seconds, but creating a complete cinematic story with a beginning, conflict, and ending is a completely different challenge. When creating AI short films, character may change between scenes, environment lose consistency, and maintaining the same character style across different worlds become extremely difficult. A simple idea can easily break when you try to turn into a complete movie-like experience. But what if you could transform one simple idea into a complete cinematic AI short film with consistent character, connected scenes, and a full storyline? Today I'll show you how I created a complete sci-fi short film inside CapCut PC using Seedance 2.5, from generating the first scene to extending the story and editing details and finishing the final cinematic cut all in one workflow. First, download CapCut PC from my one link in the bio and open a new project. With CapCut PC, the entire AI filmmaking workflow can happen in one workplace, from creating the cinematic scenes into editing the final film. After opening CapCut PC, select AI video over here, click on image to video and choose Seedance 2.5 over here. As you can see over here, there are many models, but you need to select Dreamer Seedance 2.5. Then you need to select your settings over here. You can generate up to 30-second videos, up to 1080p videos, but for now we are going to generate 720p videos. One of the most powerful features is support for up to 50 multimodal reference asset. For this AI short film, I will upload a couple of images over here, a spaceship, a futuristic city, and a character. As you can see over here, I uploaded a character, a spaceship design, and also an environment cinematic style reference. This helps Seedance 2.5 maintain the consistent character, consistent environment, and the same cinematic style through entire story. Now we will enter our prompt over here. As you can see over here, instead of creating multiple clips and stitching them together, Seedance 2.5 can generate a continuous 30-second cinematic short film in one go. From the explorer's appearance, spaceship detail, environment design, and emotional moments, everything stays consistent throughout the sequence. You can turn simple concept into a complete cinematic scene with one generation. So as you can see over here, our video is ready. And after generating the video, if you didn't satisfy with a specific detail, with AI edit you can modify your scene by simply entering a prompt without regenerating the entire video. For example, if you want to change anything, after selecting the clip, go over here on AI edit and describe which edit do you want. For example, you can enhance the atmosphere, adjust the lighting, or improve emotional details while keeping the original story unchanged. And after you made changes with AI edit, you can extend the storyline by up to 90 seconds with AI extend over here. For example, if you need a longer story, AI extend continues your existing scenes naturally. You can expand your short film with new planet, new environment, and new story development while keeping the same character and visual style consistent. To extend your story, click over here on your clip, then go over here on AI extend. You can either extend it from the beginning or at the end. So we are going to extend it from the end. Click over here. Now you need to put your prompt over here and click enter. So as you guys can see over here, we extended the storyline 2 times and our 90-second footage is ready. Once your footage is ready, simply chat with an AI in Edit Pilot, as you can see over here on right corner, and tell it what you want to add, like sound effect, music, transition, and more. Add matching background music. It helps recognize your scene, refine the final edit, and making the entire AI filmmaking process faster and easier. Creating a longer AI films used to mean inconsistent character, disconnected scene, and broken storytelling. But with Seedance 2.5, one simple idea can become complete cinematic story with consistent visual and professional quality. Seedance 2.5 is now available on CapCut PC. Click the link below to try CapCut PC and start creating your own cinematic AI videos. Now it's your turn. What kind of AI short film would you create? A space adventure, an action story, a fantastic world, or something completely different? Leave your idea in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more AI creation tips. I'll see you in the next one.